This 24-inch commercial griddle from eQuipped is the perfect addition to small kitchens needing to increase cooking space. Built to sit on your countertop, this unit includes adjustable legs with non-skid feet. Thermostatic controls operate the two U-style burners, which can be individually adjusted, and ensure that the set temperature is accurately maintained. The unit's 3/4-inch thick polished cooking surface and stainless steel body are durable and designed to stand up to the demands of a busy commercial kitchen. To keep messes to a minimum, this griddle is built with 4-inch back and side splashes and a grease pan that is easily removable for cleaning. Although this unit is factory set to use natural gas, it also comes with an LP conversion kit. To order a griddle for your operation or find out more, visit us online at KaTom.com or call the customer care representative at 1-800-541-8683.